for the students. In this video I shows you the maths 1v 2 marks problems. The students who follows these videos will definitely get very good marks in the public examination. I am making these videos for the benefit of the students. So to get the good marks, to get the 75 marks in the public examination in the short period. These are the most important 2 marks problems and frequently repeated questions in the examination, and I hope all of you use this video. So the first question, find the length of the perpendicular drawn from -2, -3 to the line 5x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. So first I write the given line here. Given line is equals to 5x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now I compare this line with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Compare with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What are ABC values? A is equal to 5 and B is equal to -2, C is equal to 4. And next I take the given point here. What is given point? Given point is equal to -2, -3. And I take this point is equals to x1, y1. Now what is the given question? Find the length of the perpendicular. Therefore length of the perpendicular is equals to, the formula is length of the perpendicular is equals to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by square root of a square plus b square. Compulsory we must write the formula in the examination, and 1 mark is given for the formula. So this is the formula. Now substituting the values. A value 5 into x1 value -2, b value -2 into y1 value -3 plus c value 4 by square root of a square plus b square. A is equal to 5. So a square 25. B is equal to -2. B square is equals to 4. Now this is equals to -10 minus of minus plus 6 plus 4 by root 29. So this is 10 minus 10 equal to 0. So the answer is equal to 0. The most important sum. And 2 more problems of the same model. So here the second question, the line is equal to 3x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. And the point is equal to 3, 4. So find the length of the perpendicular from the point 3, 4 to this line. Same model. And the third problem, same model. Find the length of the perpendicular from 0, 0 to the line x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. These two are the same model sums. And this is a very, very important model. Second problem, find the distance between the parallel lines 3x minus 4y is equal to 12 and 3x minus 4y is equal to 7. So first I write the given lines equations here. Given lines are the so the first line is 3x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0, and the second line is 3x minus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. And I compare these two lines with the equations. Compare with ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. Since these two lines are the parallel lines means we take the equations like that here. So ax plus by plus c1, ax plus by plus c2. Now what are the values? A is equal to 3. First value is equal to 3. Here also we have that a is equal to 3. Next value b is equal to -4. And here also we have the same value, b is equal to -4. And c1 is equal to -12. Constant. And c2 is equal to -7. Now these are the values. Now what is the given question? Find the distance between the parallel lines. Therefore the distance between the parallel lines is equals to, therefore the distance between the parallel lines is equal to, so the formula is modulus of c1 minus c2 by square root of a square plus b square. And 1 mark is given in the examination for this formula. Compulsory write this formula. Modulus of c1 minus c2 by square root of a square plus b square. Now substituting the values. c1 is equal to -12 minus c2 is equal to -7 minus of minus plus 7 by square root of a square 9 b square 16. So -12 plus 7, that is -5 by root 25. Under modulus this minus becomes plus. 5 by 5 is equal to 1. So answer is equal to 1. Most important sum. Next problem, find the distance between the parallel lines 5x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0 and 10x minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. So this is also same model question. This is also same model problem. So first I write the given lines here. Given lines are 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. And the second equation is 10x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. But see here, So here the values are not equal in both of the equations. So here first we want the same values in both of the equations to compare the equations. For that, first I multiply into 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0 into 2, that is equal to 0. So the first equation becomes here 10x minus 6y minus 8 equal to 0. And here we have the second equation as 10x minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Now see here both of the equations have the same term. A is equal to 10, A is equal to 10, B is equal to minus 6, B is equal to minus 6. Then we can easily apply the formula to get the distance between the parallel lines. So for that purpose, to make the same terms in both of the equations, first of all we have to multiply the first equation by the number 2 to get the same values in both of the equations. Now I compare the equations with, so compare with ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. So comparing the equations and taking the values and replacing the values in the formula to get the distance. Now what are the values? A is equal to 10, first value. Here also we have that A is equals to 10. Next B is equal to minus 6 and C1 is equal to minus 8 and C2 is equal to minus 9. Now substituting the values in the formula, therefore distance between the parallel lines is equals to, so what is the formula? Modulus of C1 minus C2 by square root of A square plus B square. Now replacing the values, so this is equals to modulus of minus 8 minus of minus plus 9 by square root of 10 square 100 plus minus 6 whole square 36. So the answer is equal to 1 by square root of 136. That's all. This is the answer. The most important 2 marks problem. Next problem. Find the value of k if the straight line 6x minus 10y plus 3 is equal to 0 and kx minus 5y plus 8 equal to 0 are parallel. So given that the two lines are parallel lines, now what is the condition for the lines to be parallel? A1 B2 is equals to A2 B1. By applying this condition directly we can get the k value, just applying this condition. Now what are the values here? To get these values, first of all we have to compare the given equations with the lines equations. So first I take the given lines here. Given lines are, first equation is 6x minus 10y plus 3 is equal to 0 and second equation kx minus 5y plus 8 is equal to 0 and second equation is kx minus 5y plus 8 equal to 0. Now I compare these equations with, a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 is equal to 0. And taking the values here, what is a1 value? A1 is equal to 6 and what is b1 value? b1 is equal to minus 10 and here a2 is equal to k, b2 is equal to minus 5. And what is the condition here? Given that the lines are parallel, so the condition is a1 b2 is equals to a2 b1. a1 b2 is equals to a2 b1. Since the lines are parallel, given that the lines are parallel, so first I write that condition. Since the given lines are parallel, we use the condition a1 b2 is equals to a2 b1. Now replacing the values. What is a1 value? 6. What is b1? What is b2 value? Minus 5 is equal to a2 value k into b1 value minus 10. That is minus 30 is equals to minus 10k. Therefore the value of k is equal to 3. That's all. The most important 2 marks sum. Next problem. Find the value of p if the straight line 3x plus 7y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 7x minus py plus 3 is equal to 0 are mutually perpendicular. So in the last question the condition is parallel lines, but in this question the condition is perpendicular lines, and the condition for the perpendicular lines is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. By applying this condition we can get the value of the p. So first I take the given lines here. Given lines are, what are the given lines here? 3x plus 7y minus 1 is equal to 0 and the second line is 7x minus py plus 3 is equal to 0. And I compare these two equations with the lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. I am taking the values. So the first value a1 is equal to 3 here. a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 7 and a2 is equal to 7 and b2 is equal to minus p. Just taking the comparison here. And what is the condition? Given lines are perpendicular. Since given lines are perpendicular, we use the condition a1 a2 we use the condition a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. Now replacing the values. What are the values? a1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to 7, b1 is equal to 7, b2 is equal to minus b. That is 21 minus 7p is equal to 0. Means 7p is equal to 21. Then the value of p is equal to 3. That's all. This is the answer. Now these are the most important problems from the straight lines chapter.